Hello, my name is Vibhushit Agarwal. My roll number is 20EC10088. Here, this is my week 4 project where I am using Arduino board 328 along with motor shield window and terminal window. Here, we can control two motors. One motor is connected to channel A while other is connected to channel B. Output 1 and output 2 are for channel A and output 3 and output 4 are for channel B. Here we are using channel A only to control the motor connected to channel A. Here now this is XNOR logic gate which I have used. Now I am showing you some basic details. Let's come to the source code. Here this is my source code where I have used the formula. Here according to the formula 255 is the maximum speed, and for case first we are using or putting the value 100, and we have to ensure that the value which we put should be less than 255 for better accuracy and precision. These are some details which I am highlighting line by line. Now I will compile the code. Here I have compiled the code successfully, and we will back to the systematic capture. Here we have to wait for some time, so let's wait for it to complete. Here you can see it is finished now, and let us move to the another case. For it, first we have to stop the previous simulation, and now we are doing the same thing for the value of 200. Repeat the same process. And with this we complete with our part 1. Now we'll move to the part 2. This project is being done from Node-RED. It is opening from the link from command prompt. This is the flow window where we are selecting the sliders, a gauge and a chart. Here you can see it is successfully deployed, and now we just have to paste the link in the Google, and you can see the chart for the level controller. And now let us try to open the same thing in our smartphone, for which I'm doing something. From here I will use IP address, and now I will show you this thing. The same thing is running on smartphone and PC. With this we end with our project. Thank you, and I end with it.